Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the place where your English gets stronger every single week. If you're new here, I'm Kit from Speak Up London, right in the heart of London. Today's challenge is simple. Score 80% or more on this vocabulary test and your English is officially fantastic. I'm going to ask you 4 questions on 5 vocabulary topics, getting harder each time. We'll cover prefixes, collocations, words often confused, abbreviations, and idioms. Oh, and before we jump in, don't forget to grab your free English vocabulary guide linked in the description below. It's packed full of useful examples that you can start using today. Ready? Okay, level 1 begins now. Alright, I'll give you a word with a prefix and you tell me either what the prefix means or you can choose the correct meaning from the options. Ready? 1. Ex-partner. Now does ex mean completely, former, or opposite? The answer is former. Your ex-partner is someone who you used to be with. Number 2, misinform. Now, does miss mean not enough, wrongly, or again? It means wrongly. To misinform someone is to give them the incorrect information. Number 3, antisocial. True or false? The prefix anti means against. True or false? The answer is true. Antisocial means behaving in a way that goes against the social norms. Number 4, reread. I'm going to give you a sentence, you fill in the blank. To reread something means to read it. The answer is again. The prefix re always suggests repetition. Nice. If you got at least 3, you're warming up beautifully. Now, level 2 is collocations. Collocations are word partnerships. In English, some verbs naturally go with certain nouns. Let's test yours. I'll show you a sentence with a missing verb. Choose the correct one. If you want to improve your English, you must an effort. It's make an effort. Not do, not give, but make. Number 2, at school or work, you often have to a presentation. Yes, the answer is give. You give a presentation. Number 3, you can A, make a crime, B, do a crime, or C, commit a crime. The answer is commit a crime. It's the only correct option. Number 4, you're studying English. Do you make, do, or give an exercise? The answer is you do an exercise. Collocations are what make your English sound truly natural. And if you want more practice, remember that our courses include daily speaking and vocabulary sessions. These words frustrate even native speakers, so let's try to fix them. Number 1, damage versus injury. A car crash caused serious to the vehicle, but the driver only had a minor. The answer is damage and injury. Damage is for objects and injury is for people. Number 2, among versus between. You should choose the best options. The answer is among. Among is used with 3 or more, whereas between is usually for 2, although grammar geeks know that there are exceptions to this. Okay, number 3, that versus which. Choose the correct word in each sentence. This is the book I told you about. The answer should be that, because it defines which book we're talking about. We use which for extra non-essential information. For example, this is the movie, which I like. Number 4, weather versus weather. Fill in the blank. I don't know. It will rain today because the looks cloudy. The answer, weather, is a choice or condition, whereas weather is what's happening in the sky, like rain or snow or sun. Great job, you're smashing this. So I'll say the abbreviation and you guess what it stands for. Ready? BBC. stands for British Broadcasting Corporation. MP stands for Member of Parliament. RSVP stands for something French, and I'm not going to butcher the pronunciation, but it translates to please respond. PIN. Yes, PIN is an abbreviation. It stands for Personal Identification Number. ASAP or ASAP stands for as soon as possible. Quickly, please. ETA stands for estimated time of arrival, the approximate time that you will arrive somewhere. FYI stands for for your information. BTW stands for by the way. FYI and BTW have similar uses. It means here's some extra information. Abbreviations are everywhere. They're in texts, emails, work messages, messages with friends. So mastering them boosts your communication instantly. The final level is idioms. Now, these will show that your English is truly advanced. Number 1, we say barking up the wrong tree. What does this idiom mean, I hear you ask? It means A, you're accusing the wrong person. B, you love dogs. Or C, you're outdoors a lot. The answer is A. It means you're focusing on the wrong area or looking at the wrong person. Number 2 is cutting corners. Choose the meaning. Does it mean A, being efficient, B, doing something cheaply or badly to save time, or C, using a physical shortcut to get somewhere? The answer is B. It means doing something badly or cheaply to get a quick result. Number 3 is the perfect storm. Is this used when things go A, fantastically well, B, horribly wrong, or C, normally? The answer is B. Many bad factors come together at the same time to make a horrible, terrible situation. Number 4, it takes one to know one. When do you think we use this idiom? Is it positive or negative? The answer is, it means someone can recognize another person's behavior because they have similar qualities themselves. It's usually used playfully. For example, if my friend accuses me of being a shopaholic, but she likes shopping too, I might say, it takes one to know one. So, how did you do? If you scored 80% or higher, your English is genuinely impressive. But if you didn't, then don't worry, because improving your English is exactly what we do here. If you want real progress with expert teachers right here at Speak Up London, in Oxford Street, in the heart of London, then check out our courses. The link is in the description below. Also, don't forget to download your free English vocabulary guide. It's full of examples, tips, and exercises to help you master everything we covered today and more. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. Bye now. See ya.